with a 100% chance of rain. The flash flood.
Oh, Mr. Roper, your forecasts are always right on target. I hear thunder. I see lightning flashing. See, I told you Al's forecasts are right on target. And here we have the rain. You know, as I watch the rain come down, it's looking to me as if the rain getting much, much heavier. Not a good sign, folks. Oh, that was a very big thunder over. See. Now I hear kind of a rumbling sound, very dim. Anyone else hear it? Sounds like it's getting closer. What is that sound? Our flash flood. Left side, flash flood. Take cover.